Hey friends, if you encounter the issue DHCP Client Service gives access denied error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator in the right pane to open the registry editor window. Now go to HKey local machine, system, current control set, services, DHCP and configuration. Right click on configuration and select permissions. Select your user account. Click on allow. Click on apply. On OK and restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. But there's one more thing that you might have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the DHCP service and then right click on it and then select restart. Okay, and that will fix the problem for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.